Well, hi everybody. Today is Friday, August 7th. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We're headed over to an evening car show over in a town west of home called Warsaw, Indiana. So the Redbird Special had good luck at this show last year, but this is a new year, so we'll see how it goes. And should hopefully see some nice cars tonight. So we'll check in with you later. Well, we're here in Warsaw, Indiana for the car show, and I'm standing right here at a intersection. The band is getting ready to crank up here. Courthouse over on the center there, and a lot of people here and a lot of cars. So I don't know how we're going to do tonight, but it's a beautiful night and a lot of fun. So I'm going to get around here and get some footage. So we'll talk to you later. Well, it looks like we got some mini cars here. Bunch of them. Gee, my knee. I bet there's 30 or so of these little cars. Cool. Let me walk down here and see if I can get some footage on some of these. They're really cute. All sorts of them. King Midget. 67, that one says. Got one here with a wooden door all decked out. Isn't that cute? Those are cool. Very, very nice attraction. Yepper. All right, we're moving on. Well, I wanted to get a little footage on this car. This is a 1957 Pontiac Chieftain. And I always did like these cars, these Pontiacs. I don't know why, but they were, of course, cars from the 50s, a lot of chrome. Big cars. I see he's a Elvis fan here. And I remember we had some good friends, or they were good friends of my mom and dad. He had a 57 Pontiac hardtop. It was a real cool car. He took me to the drag races there at one time in our hometown. So maybe that's where I was so impressed with the car. But anyway, I just love those. Now this is a 4-door, so this was a family car, but I just love these Pontiacs 57. All right, we'll move on. Well, I've come across, I think, a very rare car. This is a Studebaker R1 series, 1964, total production 73, total survivors 14, and this is one of them. And I was talking to the gentleman that owns this car. That's a 289 in it. He's the original owner of this car. And this was I don't know if you can read that. It says Avante powered, but he was the original owner of this car, and it's just I've never come across one of these, and I just think it's a it was, I guess, in the muscle car class, and that was why it was produced, to compete with the muscle cars. But they only produced these for a couple years, I guess. But like I said, I've never seen this car before, and very nice, very nice. He's really taken good care of it. He's had it repainted and some things done to it, but he says he's got it pretty much restored back to its original shape. I guess it was called a Daytona. We'll go with that name. But very nice car, very, very rare car. All right, we'll move on. Well, I wanted to get this car. I don't know if this is a concept car or if someone just took this looks like a 1960 Ford, and I don't know if someone just put a bubble top on it. Maybe it was is this a Jetson car? Is this from the TV series The Jetsons, perhaps? I don't know, but it sure is different, and I thought I better get down here and get some footage on this, because it certainly is different. Caught your attention when this thing came in. Excuse me, folks, sorry. So you can see the paint job on it. Sparkles. All right, different. Well, we're leaving the show here on Friday evening in Warsaw, Indiana. So it's been a beautiful evening. The show was really a great show. The Redbird Special didn't win anything tonight, but it's the way it goes. We got a big day going for us tomorrow. A show and a cruise-in tomorrow evening, so it'll be a long day. So we'll sign off for tonight, and be looking forward to seeing you tomorrow with more cars. So good night.